Have you ever wondered if a simple kitchen ingredient could transform your weight loss journey? Apple cider vinegar. It's a household name, but does it truly live up to the hype? In this video, you'll discover the science behind apple cider vinegar, the benefits it offers for weight loss, how to use it effectively, and the potential pitfalls you should avoid. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to incorporate this powerful ingredient into your daily routine for maximum results. What's in it for you? A leaner, healthier body with minimal effort. Let's dive in. What is apple cider vinegar and why is it so popular? What makes apple cider vinegar a superstar in the health world? Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is made by fermenting apples with yeast and bacteria. This process creates acetic acid, the main active compound, known for its health benefits. ACV has been touted for centuries as a remedy for various ailments, but its newfound fame comes from its potential role in aiding weight loss. But how exactly does this magical liquid work to shed those extra pounds? How does apple cider vinegar promote weight loss? Can apple cider vinegar really help you burn fat, or is it just another myth? Here's how ACV can aid your weight loss. Suppresses appetite. The acetic acid in ACV has been shown to reduce appetite, making you feel fuller for longer. Boosts metabolism. Some studies suggest it may increase your body's ability to burn fat. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. By preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar, it reduces cravings for unhealthy snacks. Improves digestion. ACV supports gut health, which plays a key role in weight management. So, how do you use apple cider vinegar to get these amazing benefits without making common mistakes? How to use apple cider vinegar for maximum results? Is there a right and wrong way to use apple cider vinegar? Absolutely. Here's a step-by-step guide. Dilute it. Always mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a large glass of water. Drinking it straight can damage your teeth and irritate your throat. Timing matters. Consume it before meals to curb your appetite. Consistency is key. Use it daily, but don't overdo it. Complement it with a balanced diet. ACV alone won't work magic. Pair it with healthy eating and exercise. Tips for beginners. Start with smaller doses to avoid digestive discomfort. Add a teaspoon of honey for better taste if needed. But could there be downsides to using apple cider vinegar for weight loss? Common mistakes and risks of using apple cider vinegar. Could this miracle ingredient actually cause harm if used incorrectly? Yes, there are potential downsides. Tooth enamel damage. The acidity can erode your teeth. Use a straw to minimize contact. Digestive issues. Overconsumption can lead to stomach discomfort or nausea. Interaction with medications. ACV can interfere with certain medications, such as diabetes or blood pressure drugs. No quick fix. It's a tool, not a miracle solution. Unrealistic expectations can lead to disappointment. How to avoid these pitfalls? Limit intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Always dilute and consult your doctor if you're on medication. So, is apple cider vinegar worth trying for weight loss, or is it all just hype? The verdict. Does apple cider vinegar actually work? What can you realistically expect from apple cider vinegar on your weight loss journey? ACV is not a magic solution, but it can be an effective tool when used properly. The most significant benefits come when it's paired with a healthy diet and regular exercise. It's a small change that can lead to meaningful results over time. Now that you know the benefits and risks, are you ready to learn how to make your weight loss journey even more effective? Apple cider vinegar is a great addition to a weight loss plan. But remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. For best results, pair it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to achieve your weight loss goals. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.